Hello guys, I'm back. This is my, this is a Hunter something ceiling fan. I have it under this view for some reason. I have a backup because this fan is, so when I tested this with no blades on, it went like this. So that tells me, oh my God, don't scare me like that, you fan. Also, this is how slow low speed it really is. Any faster? That's actually as slow low speed goes. This capacitor sucks. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, no, that's gonna hit, that's gonna hit! That's gonna hit! Oh my God, I should be careful. Yeah, just, it needs a minute. Hold up, guys. Hold up! Gotta fix the blades up a bit. This is a medium. Oh my God, this thing blows air. So in 2024, never mind, I can't say it. So I'll move on to high. Gotta test it first. I mean, it's wobbly, but good God, that thing is doing good. Also, light's not powered. Light, well, I was having an issue, so I have to fix it. So yeah, bye.